And what they do, y'all, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. Back at it again with a little do-it-yourself project. This right here is my cousin's backyard. Right now, I think it looks nice. I think it looks good. He has big visions. He has things that he wants to do for it. And we're about to make that happen today. A little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of this, but we're gonna make it happen. What can y'all see? What can y'all see? Do you see mulch? Do you see rocks? What do you think is next? What do you think is coming? I'll show y'all. I'll get back to y'all when we get over to the store where we're gonna buy a little bit of our products. Right now he's digging the trench. Why is he digging the trench? We're gonna place a wooden border here, possibly a wooden border here, and then leading out into the exit area, another wooden border here. This is gonna stay grass. This is gonna be something else. So I want y'all to stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up if you've ever done anything like this yourself. If you want to try something like this, give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody who needs to see it. TJ Too Smooth. Let's get to work.
Turn me up. Yeah. Turn me up. Hey. Yeah.
What they do. TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. And it's TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. Yes, sir.
Next. I'm next like yeah. Rolling in a Cadillac, bitch, call me like daddy. Bitch, I'm smooth like cat daddy.
Well, y'all, we had a little technical difficulties with the electric saw. Didn't want to show y'all how bad that was, but we improvised, yeah? Let's see. I don't know, y'all. This might be too much. said he had a chainsaw, bitch.
Huh?
Vigo said he had a chainsaw.
Oh, nah, bro. I got a saw.
Ooh, one-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves. Yeah, ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves. Yeah, stepping new Jimmy Choos. Look at you like what it do. Ooh, one-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves. Yeah, ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves. Yeah, stepping new Jimmy Choos. Look at you like what it do. Ayy, ooh. Riding around city in the coupe, take flight. Tint so black, can't see shit at night. And the nigga speeding on the way to the pipe. Hit me up, like pick me up, I might. Cold hearted, baby, don't get me started. 20 feet from the whip and I started. 20 deep when we get in the party. Find a bad one who wanna live with me. Hit it once and she won't get up off me. Sip a drink like I'm sipping the coffee. Kept her close, she was doing the most. A nigga left and now it's killing her softly. Run it up and run it back till you faint. Rag it up, pull it out of the bank. Reinvest and you double up. If there's dirty money, clean it out in the sink. And I've been shipping them out. Going hard, ain't no such thing as a drop. Ate it so good that she caught herself squirting. I think I just let the bitch piss in my mouth. All on my bed on my face. We don't acknowledge the hate. Got enough shit on my plate. But fuck it though, give me some more, cause I'm tryna be great. One-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves. Yeah, ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves. Yeah, stepping new Jimmy Choos. Look at you like what it do. Ooh, one-on-one, I'll take you. One-on-one, they don't make two. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves. Yeah, ooh, yeah. All my dogs making moves. Stepping new Jimmy Choos. Look at you like what it do. Ooh, she be on the gram on the beach. She live in the trap low key. Ayy. Got a couple grand for the feet, but don't got food for the week. Oh no. She live the life of a hustler. Better not wife for the cuffler. Better off just fucking her. She look at you as a customer. Can't believe you was trusting her. And she won't suck for a fee, oh. But she won't come above me, oh no. Need a flight with a window seat, oh. New time zone, I fleet, I go. Hustling, ho, I want my Lamborghini. Top disappearing like I was Houdini. That's on the whip and that's on the bikini. I'ma whip it up a chef for sushimi. It's my time now, young nigga. I had to stay in the paint. You got more grit than you think. All you gotta do is just think. I be laying my wood, I plank. Told her suck the whole thing and she can't. Thought I heard one of you fuck niggas laugh. Now I'm left.
Well, guys, for part 1, I think the difference is night and day. What do y'all say? Comment down below. Tell us what you think. From his mind to reality. Part 1. Part 2 coming in 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's getting dark, but you can still see the progress is undeniable. Only a few more cuts to make here, and the project will be complete. During the daytime, what I'm gonna do, I'll come back by and show y'all the final product. Just a little bit more work to do, and the project is complete. So what do you think, man? Satisfied?
Done.
Looks like a tiki paradise, man. Saying put that bamboo on the backside. It's a nice accent wall. I mean, that'll really add more to it for sure. Well, y'all, get this video. Get this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. Link below in the description for any of the products that we use. Share this with somebody who needs to see it. TJ Too Smooth Trader 1. We gone.